Assalamu alaikum. In this drawing, you're going to draw 3 concentric circles and one circle, and then there is a polygon, hexagon, and then another circle. Now that elements along with the fillets is going to be repeated around the center. So there is a command in AutoCAD for polar array. So you construct just one unique element and then you can rotate that around the center. So let's get started. Open your title block template and save as. Drawing 9. So I'm going to draw that in object layer. So click on the circle center diameter because diameter is given, and specify center. You're going to type 10,10, and then diameter for the first circle is 1.675. The second circle diameter is 2.98. The third circle diameter is 2.39. The outer one, you're going to change the layer to center layer. Now you're going to draw a small circle on the top quadrant of the outer circle, and the diameter is 0.3. And we are going to complete that element, the polygon and the outer circle, along with those 2 fillets. So polygon, and it's going to ask you for the number of sides, and it's a hexagon, so it's a 6 number. And then center, and then it's going to ask you whether it is inscribed or circumscribed about a circle. So you're going to check C, and then since it's around this circle, you're going to click on the right quadrant of the circle. Now for the outer circle, the diameter is 0.5. And now fillet. You're going to select a radius, and radius is 0.25. I already have that, so just press enter, and then select multiple. So click on the small circle, click on the big circle. Again on the right side, click on that circle and click on this one. Enter or spacebar, and then trim this line. Also trim this line. Now the unique element is complete. Now we are going to copy that around that center. To do that, there is a command in AutoCAD, polar array. So you're going to select all these elements, then right click and then click on the center, and by default it's going to make 6 copies, and we're going to change that to 5 and press enter. Go home and trim these pieces. And with that, this drawing is complete. Now go to the title block and double click inside the viewport and zoom extents. Now let's give it a scale. 1:1 is good. And lock the viewport. Double click outside the viewport anywhere. And then go to dimension layer. Dimensions, mainly there are all the diameters for all circles and radii for arcs. So over here you're going to go to diameter, now you can see that it's 1 digit, there are no decimals. So type dim style and modify, and over here in precision we have the most decimals that we have over here is 2 decimals. So we're going to select those and click OK and close. The inner one actually has 3 decimals. This is the only one that has 3, so you can right click on it and change the precision to 3 decimals over here. And then a radius for the fillet. Then update the title block. Scale was 1:1. Backspace. And don't forget to update the date. Plot to PDF. Preview. Click OK. And that was all for this drawing. Now it's your turn. Happy drawing.